say 300,000.
The man abandon catch that one.
Yasha sentem, you pursue you tem then you free. And then so Miss Church we must translate my cognum on this platform, Ras Media GH on YouTube. Translate I'm an on ye pa. And then we are going to let into the hypocrisy of the government called NDC. Bibi abeta say any single thing Mahama told you in opposition was acrimoniously lie. I acrimoniously lie. Ni na na yentro. We be some say the Mr. Okasa. Nyanto wase mame. Na me medredwe nsem num kama mfani nyina enkyerɛw. Ene ye bekasa fa teachers licensure exams ho. Sabio ensohwe bia ukọ training college wie na upaase a eye mmara wo wiase amansan mu nyina se woyɛ dan ukoye nsohwe ema ya ji utum se no kore se apart from the school na ukoye no yes wasanso anya ntete ani nimde a obetumi de akere enkwada de Mahama say oya against that ene owo power no mu ye different thing ye be kasa afa no ho ye firi won so a na ye bo awura mu kakra ye firi wa ye be sia bo awura mu biem ensam bi ajo Mahama kan ni opposition ene the reality no aso ne mene ko na onhu de onye asemo ye amekan ebi ne say ye wura Mahama te opposition o kan kire Ghana fo nyina say oba bidi Ghana konwa ade a ye frɛ ne Ex-gratia obetwem eno no up to now onye ho adwuma. We are going to talk about it. Ye frɛ no so ho so a na ye kwa akokasa e de afa ye wura Mahama wo opposition ono ane sanka ye say ehun hia say bi o aban koba bi a ka hodo ebedi na chi enti ono ohwe a too much expenditure aban to ne ho so a according to him no it is waste of taxpayers money enti ono oba ne convoy obete so and oba ye de oyo different ye wi ani asan abo video fufuro de akere wa abra na ndisi wo opposition omo se eni kwanse Ghana aban kobo bosia na obekọ akobo no odi betua adwumayefo ka oyɛ saa ebe ma ɔman no ho akyere no ye ba ne aba behwe sɛ andisifo ba aban mu yi ɔmo ɛyɛ the same thing ana sɛ ɔmo yɛ ade bi a ɛyɛ better ɛsene wei saa nneɛma miɛnsa wei ɛho nsɛ na meba bɛka ti meso sɛ trase na pɛ popcorn some Coca-Cola some Fanta di ope bia ensuo etin mo amuni mo hye mo bo ne kɛse na mo trase mo amuni mo twa umpe bottle kama star bi na montra wana se Guinness bi na montra ho ne yemfa mu enwura mu awuni mu no mu ni mu hye nso no odi ani nsuo tin anase bibi foforo trase na yenwura nsem nom na yemfa eniema no emra emegu epono no so na before I start no yentie video way if free video no mu ba ya then we are going direct into the core of the day tie
campaign under one district one factory okay that will be private sector led and government was chief Masrao prof tolerate the flow we said there will be private sector led government obey incentivize private sector in our manifesto.
Yeah,
that's what we said.
Yeah,
when they came into when we won the election what kind villagers what kind of factory now ban also the baby and answer that one was it in our manifesto that we're going to put a factory in everywhere by government? But they said it.
So you are also just saying,
Chief, I wrote.
Prof, Mr.
What?
So don't come tell me, no, new manifesto. We had Okudjeto Ablakwa, the foreign minister today. 24-hour economy or channel basically airport to every district region and anti for let's for minister for government communication anti one national chairman anti but I'm saying that we formal document now okay. You committed that one of the key pillars of 24-hour economy is the public service security service. What does it mean? We're run the 3 shifts. If you have 100,000,
Security force.
thank you. Even assuming that you have 100,000, it is a legitimate expectation of you that what forms the ever run the 3 shifts increase the capacity by 3.
So numbers maybe will say won't chance the numbers no for enlistment no increase this time because number no dream policy because of the 3 shift need to know. About bet me employ about better 300,000.
The man about catch that one. Must one so increasing threshold no so from 25 to 35, which then afforded a lot more people
into the bracket
into the bracket and to apply. Then you turn around and say, oh, IMF conditions, you to move for more than 5,000. And down there was the president taking share security couples. More direct there one for 10,000. 10,000 on a breach of the IMF conditions. In any event, when you want to face the IMF conditions or
but what they 20 or 24 hours.
On starting, I was starting.
So say no more share the
and you want to work at the DVL was start now. What can the DVL was passing low way and the DVL was start. And you want to work at and you want to work at on the Tamaport where 24 hours was start. I don't know who told us. So if you tell me that on start here, what do you mean? You yourself, what do you mean? They lied.
NDC.
Capital LIED deceived the youth of this country. Promises are body. So if you promise to expand the public service and run 3 shifts, why are you coming to complain about the size of the wage bill? Is the question. Why are you complaining?
Yes, abusian for me mamunyina akwaba biem. Afei ena ye di ankasa ye editorial of the day ebebrew. Me yaba ma. Ye nyina ye kai sa adie wei a sesia mi yi edichire wei. Sa adie wei. Despite President Mahama promised to cancel it, 2026 Ghana teacher licensure exams is set to begin on the 24th of March 2026. Mami nsi biem. Die wo ho ayatwere nyina ne se. Yewura John Darega Dramani Mahama promise say so ba bedi Ghana konwa ensohwe a Ghana for more akọ school training college or more awie teacher training college or more awie nsohwe a omo twere a ekere say apart from so omo asua de no omo won tete a omo betumi de akere nkura de no Yewura Mahama kan say obetwam during the campaign time but ene odi ade no the abeto abontre say ya to price num and moreover no ya set say on the 24th of this March teacher trainees ni nyina omo awie no they have to go for the teaching and the teacher licensure exams. Now me before I begin with my talk me will say Anthony me Mwakwaba answer mesha si ankasa na makama asem amen kama asem we biem same jasi me Mwakwaba se wo we fo nsa na wa hwe wo de na me to aso me same jasi I wonder why I see Dunketia lied and talked about the number of security recruitment and how the NDC blind supporters were laughing. Well, NDC for no more problem. Omo ne hawo. Sankrofo no. Me say they have no broken heart in their life. Broken heart e bi nchiwo. Enti NDC betumi ayo omo de omo pe bia. They still belong to the NDC. Omo nti say MPP for a. Ye nia bie ye nia frinti ye reason ade bi nkoyi ana ya twe ho an egina nche no. NDC for nim sa. Almost say under the rain, under the sun, under the tender, everything. NDC supporter is still NDC supporter. And faho, any they are buying no, ye editiano. Young Kosuna Yankasa Kakra. This is out to opposition one. That's the one Susu and Kasa. Oba by more. It becomes difficult. It becomes difficult to what? to enjoy the power that you fought for. In fact, this is why I'm very happy to be MPP member. Unim dientia. And there's a parliament where the minority leader and the minority MPs, MPP for Mokasa wa Bontene or Mokasa or parliament or Mokasa or radio sunyana. We are not promising, but actually we are collecting the government. Because too much of promises, especially when you know, say, the promise you are given, because assembly anyway, MAHAMA kaya na onim said the nisu and then buy a tier, so to me more. Because MAHAMA were the president to pay. And MAHAMA knew everything about leadership as a president. In the traditional as a culture, your friend in Ghana culture. And the assembly MAHAMA kaya no. We must hold him accountable because he was already a former president when he was spoken. And now on him the implications. Now on him the consequences of whatever he was saying. John Mahama was completely conscious on anything that he said. Onye obi oni president then yakase that be oni president then no onye ni president then maybe he overtook or he over promised because he never knew how he can implement those things. But that is not the case of John Darega. Darega has been in commander chief of Ghana Armed Forces Spain. John Darega has been the first gentleman of the land Spain. John Darega has been the man who can command the finance minister paying. John Darega has been the man who could command the Ministry of Education paying. So anything John Mahama said, no, don't spare him. Man fan spare no. He was aware of everything. So if Mahama told you in opposition, say, teacher licensure exams, oba no betwem. Na oba ye ontumi ntwamu na mom ne bo no no disika ne bia ka ho a. Fatu tim say o sheda kata na ni say o dada. A teacher for na mom na wo teacher ni. Teacher ni o. Wa ko training college awie. Abodina yede mawa ekyere se wako school na wo sanso wonim de se odi be kyere nkura de no utumi tena ho teacher ni o utumi tena ho ema a desperate politician like John Darega Dramani Mahama etumi be da wo kan kyere wo se sa certificate no etumi ma wa kwanya ma wo kyere ade wo wiase amansam mu oman bia so no oba o ma wo ntwere biem Osuji tumu said that is the best way to go. Temiyo, and necessary many teacher for never. Because in Bible videos actually, I'm a what ye. When John Mahama was promising the teacher, say he was going to cancel the teacher licensure exams, no. The teachers, the training college students are no more honor. Now more bomb munsam. A teacher for brim no more bomb munsam. So my question is, how can you sit there and allow yourself to be fooled? I can say what to be fooled by John Darega. For what reason? Abra ye teacher ni. Abra wa quote training college where you can it is a level of tertiary institution. And it is said wako university. And tinka uni mo here. Nkanyene all right, any your duty. So before you can become a teacher, you must to have an habilitation, certified habilitation. Actually, say you can teach people because knowing and teaching are not the same thing. But teachers, a teacher for it to me transfer papa we yanim e mani din tro kire wo, but they accepted that lies and they went out massively to vote against MPP Aban. Ene da hoyi papa ne da mo tena aseda na mo ho educated fools a mo ma papa ne da mo agi mo tumi free mo nsam wiye no oba ye no osisade no ontumi ntwamu biem ema na yeye. You have to do it. Na mokora mo na mo nyankopon asese wantwam because enko twamu a enka you have no certificate ya ebo mo apodini se mutumi kira ade ma na yeye. But my question is, how can a tertiary institution graduate sit down and allow himself for another tertiary institution a graduate, John MAHAMA, nim edintro ebuni kwasia ese na dwene ema ono so gitum say no kore papa na asem oka no obeye manaye ye. On which basis? On which basis? But there is another thing that I want to say I thank God for. Said this time around, we have video evidences to support anything that we are going to talk about. Any promise and faith, we have a video of when they promised it, and we have a video on how when they told us, say they cannot do it. Now, there me and say, Encrofu after over promising no, would your moko say omumra mehe kwasia promise omuma ye omuntumi for fedia. Then they will come back and tell you say ye no kure ye omu no mukaye. Some people will tell you say MAHAMA ne kaye but any manifesto. So what does it mean? The leader of the opposition or no amount for her and sokoto aba ekojina platforms na promise the common citizen of something. Na oba aban mu na wantumi anye na obisa yes the oka ye na mfa nya asem na mbom de wo manifesto e na ye den fire asem. How can these people be so yankan say che omodwene say they are much intelligent than us. And this is for you say Ghana fo nyina ye mo a se wo pa nyansafo omo wo man no mu a omo ye ndisi fo mpainfo enkrofo a citizens na aka ni nyina according to the NDC ye nimu nyansa enti asem bi ombeka bia no ye fa nom ye menegu ye yam na ya giatu. We don't challenge, we don't debate, and we move on. This is what the NDC tell me to tell you. Nankentisa, how can the main opposition leader step on the campaign platform, promise of something, and after being elected as the president, come out and tell you, say, there be Sadiano, you have to write it. Now, Obien can wasem. And the teacher for now, sa promise ne de ma amokoto abano. Can't you feel frustrated? Can't you feel to be deceived by a leader? Can't you feel say you have been actually deceived by your president? Mum finish. Now, Abusianti, I want you to listen to this video very well. When John MAHAMA was talking about why he was going to cancel the teachers' licensure exams.
Natural final exam. No more passing. You are passing, you are just on my teacher for no. No, what I say, almost a natural exam, BBO, and son of my almost to be some teacher for. Ezu, ain't you there? See about licensure exam? No, you be here free.
A few moments later.
And NDC never promised to cancel licensure exams.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Bajo what in a year? Ebiara one thing a year. Mami some more video on Tro Yanto as I more video on Tro. After listening to the video, let's play it again. Listen to John Darega.
Yeah, no much of final exam. No more passing. Ya pass here, we are just on my teacher for no. No, as Waka say, almost I'm back to exam bibio, and son of my Joe much to be some teacher for. Ain't you there? See a bar, licensure exam, no, you be here free.
If
entity Yewra John Mahama ene kana sem se ono de se obano babedi president emma Ghana manya, what he's going to do when he say he is going to cancel the teachers licensure exams, but then ya fix date ama teacher teachers licensure exams, which is on the 24th of March 2026. Yet the same way called Parliament to say, and this ya buying any crop for. Muyen kontompo for moon nino crench or my mano. I didn't hear mugu a manual for any massessa egu a manuals for any masse editre or my manner. NDC majority leader was able to come out and tell Ghanaians, say, Omu NDC for no, they never and ever promise of cancelling teacher licensure exams.
Mr. Speaker, NDC never promised to cancel licensure exams. We promised to incorporate it into the general examination system of the colleges. That was what we promised. And what we are doing today is fulfilling exactly what we promised to do.
flashback.
We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers. And we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
Bacho, Yewura, na sa papo ye frene Mahama Yarega de minim. Mimesa Mijasi say Ghanaians should be smart enough to reject Mahama propaganda, lies, and never to take his comments very serious again. But I'm saying it's late too. John Darega will not come back to contest anymore. What he can do, he has done it. That is by deceiving Ghanaians to the bone. He has been able to achieve that. He has been able to achieve by deceiving Ghanaians 100%. Mia, she video no na comment emame na yenko yanim. I like video no ka ho so na yenko yanim. Pacho tie me pa. President ne ka asem fufuro. The majority leader in parliament is lying too. Just say ye koye anase ye baye. Why na was he taking it serious? And nipa why na was he taking it serious in this government? Because every one of them knows how to lie where. Omunyira, omuyen kontompo for to the level say these guys they can convince somebody say a body man a woo won a body man and yen saying ye omono no muda bama ni yefrum and I woo body man a woo won and this can campaign and this can lie and this can cook that into the minds of the vulnerable people because bra wa John Mahama said they are going to scrap as it say we are coming to eliminate it completely. But listen to what the minority leader said. The minority leader is now telling me, say, they never and nowhere NNDC for country Ghana for say they are coming to scrap the what them call the teacher licensure exams. This is a completely what we call disgrace. A disgrace, kasi even the political class of the country. Say amanyo fo binom etimi kata wonani edi ntro pele entro kese a ente say na ye ja want to walk free without not caution them. But this way of doing of this political party called NDC, you know, I am very worried. Me banana a queer afro papa be more papa. I want to say when him say yes, not do mo ye pa over bio. And throw away na nkrofu ye yet, as same way na nkrofu we no. What they are doing, I'll be able to say everything was just lies, you know. And you're very, 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 very important. Say, ye benemu, na ye shame those who promised and those who are lying. Because yanyene sa, enipano every be free amanyo for emu. Say, amamano so omure free amanyo for no omumua. Na say we are going back to the gun. Military governance and ebesenko. But then I'm saying penny I was saying church name Ghana for who said, and ya man your phone na and or motis sound crofo way. Nambum no, a sound crofo way or moye and DC for PNDC for. A your mon or musuni or mo buying eti say, na yen nen or mo shas or mo defrited and or mudin tro and the church Ghana for. I was saying to me name more. Na yen shame more into the society. Na meda hokre say e yen krofo we no PNDC for. E ye omo na omusu na omo ban no e ye nkontompo ne nabraba ye ka bi egu so ye se wudin ye di ntro ye twa nkontompo de abepetume. Se yanya ne sa magana fo ne youth na ante omo ho ase a the people will lose hope in the political class. And when they lose hope in the political class, the consequences can be war or coup d'etat in the country. So we must expose them. We must showcase how dishonest NDC-led government is. We must expose how dishonest, how untrustful the NDC was before in government and is today in government. Said Yebeya, yet let me restore trust in the people of the country, in the what them call concerning the political class in the country. Because yes, sir. Politicians in the country are losing trust because of kwanya ibinum tumika to money dintro edipetumi. That is what we are doing. And we keep on doing that. We keep on naming and shaming them until the people who understand the difference between the so-called socialist wine and that of the party that does a lot to it about mine. Nima minister kebari mame mwakwaba. Tiemi yepa. Amanyo semno. Medie mihuni se. Ye wanyema bi oha utumidi ye amanyo semmani ye ye. Ena ye wanyema bi numoha. Omu ye standarda. They must to be in this way. You don't have to use them for political power. Because who use Sanya man for political power? Even if you are being given the power, you cannot enjoy the power in peace. You have a lot of questions to answer. Ability to set this certificate called the teacher licensure exams. Why should you use a process of what they call a particular administration process as a campaign message? Every achievement ben and a woman say waba now see a teacher for more exams. Now we use you as a campaign message. A bit is say Mahama the presidential convoy. Hey, example. That was part of his campaign message. Presidential convoy. Everywhere that you go in this world, when the president is coming, every road is blocked. Lot of vehicles surround him. And the message also find campaign. Because all by president, won't to mean bicycle some fun anti crewman. You need a convoy that will also even protect you from your enemies. But because of desperation of power and tea, Yewura Mahama to me jina hodina no kasafa even the convoy upon you so. Now, yemfa teacher licensure exams and to now let's talk about the convoy upon Edenantie when he's in power. Listen to what John Daliga said, and now I will show you a video that nothing has changed since when he became the president of the republic.
Can cast cost. One is the size of government. A big contributor to the excessive public expenditure is the sheer size of government.
A few moments later.
Bajotio, Yewura Mahama say, "Ono no believe we say, when you are buying for so expended sika in terms of a buying ankasa ne hoka, a buying ankasa ne management, a buying ankasa Jubilee House, no, how kwa mo fa so omo musika sem." Hey, one of the key factor, and I'm so Ghana buying a boka. And you know about betiso. Now, a bayo one ayo say. Very video de trama bachelor. Say, and no money muhenti. Yewura Mahama say, what 30 ministers so about 60. But later I will play a video to you. Ya packing Crawford Jubilee House where you two among cat say ministers are omonyewe. Ya packing Crawford omonye deputy chief of staff, deputy media personnel to the president, deputy first aid. Omasisan Crawford Jubilee House where you two omoka akatuana ye di two omo services are you provide them omo. Okamboma, a Susan the minister. I will come there later and I will show you videos of those appointments. Now there was one TB. Everything that Mahama promised in opposition has turned to be a rare. It has turned to be a rare organization of crime. A real way of deceiving his own people. Assembly Papa Neka ye in opposition as a campaign message were all propaganda. Assembly ni hokaya and obedi akunyoy or yemana ye. Now dear me and say, after promising heaven on earth, waba akunyomu wun to me no. The man is still keeping on promising and people are still clapping for him. I know what I'm talking about. Mahama ne sabio some George Bre are not him say Ghanaians are not angry enough because of say now do two kwanya ne convoy cars and a dorso. Now look at Mahama.
Yen na yesika we. Ena ba akufo. Ba akufo. Enjoy your Ghana yen na Mahama na ekore. Yen na yesika we o. Show yen na ye Ghana. Ena ba akufo. Enjoy sano. Hey. Mahama ba akufo she cars di na chi. Na we man to ababiem.
Bacho mu nyina mahu. Mahama se o se aban entwitwa ne kaso. Mahama se aban enhyase no ntwitwa ne expenditure so. When he was in opposition. But obedi akonwa no, he is doing more than what was going on. But me convoy na aban ni team no. Enye problem because to my personal conscience. Meaning say eye normal say amai or no emampanyini free baby akobabia. He need extra protection to get where he's going to. And eye normal so obenya convoy ya eye massive. Na obian to minya den emroko obeti esi yako kidnap Mahama gebeye me de. But that should not be the case. But the dienti America safa ho say me a me politician, I me a leader of any political party. Na me nkodia ban pono. I do understand this. How come say a former president ya wedi akonya pen na onim the implications when you become the first gentleman of the land. Etimi hwe amanfo na nim no ka kire omo say de nana do ya oye bi daache ono ye bi dada bi atwam. Na onim say eye protocol eye normal no. Etimi hwe wanim ka kire say we ono oba onyo obeduru ye no oyo more than that. Na amanfo nkasa. Look at how many videos were circulating on the media. Say nana do number bi offend saying V8 ahodo edinachi. What has changed? What has made some Ghanaians quiet now? DNT amanfo nkasa biem. Enkrofona na omutwa video de nanti social media TikTok ne TV Sony Facebook ne YouTube. Ekasa Nado is actually spending Ghanaians money for no reason. Where are them? And then Mahama is riding with about 28 what them call V8 apart from Kana or Tino. About 28 V8 any dinachi, and nobody is talking about it. Miriam Godwin, SKB is now called Kakari TV on YouTube. Enti Mr. Kakari TV. Ubenyano ewo Hawaii. Ahmed Ashishawaba Godwin. Yanko Punchao. Me Ahmedofo Baba Kope Esther K. Badima. I am here to say. Me say a chia of you, Machia, me say a chia of you. Pacho Tiemi Yepa. That is what I'm talking about. The question that I'm asking is very, very, very simple. The enam soyeko to about the man, and he said he's coming to cut government expenditure and a part of the resetting agenda. Papa ne ba you know. The size of the government in terms of what they call of ministerial position, so. But if you go down to the Jubilee House, you're packing a be deputy assistants to the audio, of Jubilee House, deputy assistant to the media. Me banana about video natural, but I just wanted you to understand how clueless, how insensitive His Excellency, the President of the Republic, is. Yankoso na yenti another issue. Me say, bra, nema no doso, nema no, yebeka ye wieda, but yebegusu ni yaka. Yento asuna yenko yenim na yembonsem emfiri ho emrafie. Yes, yenti video.
Before to show Ghanaians that yes, we are serious about cancelling it. He does not even know the principle in our constitution that says that you cannot pass retroactive legislation. If you pass legislation, there's something they call ex-gratia. Some years back, it was cancelled for the rest of workers. They don't take any, they are not giving any ex-gratia. But somehow, ex-gratia continues to be paid to this small segment of people, Article 71. And so we said the disparity is not fair. And so I said categorically that when we come into office, we will cancel ex-gratia for the executives, because the president is in charge of the executives, so he can cancel it for the executives. But then you have to persuade the other arms of government to see that there's no fairness in continuing to pay yourselves ex-gratia when the ordinary worker does not receive it. Because you are the leaders. You must show by example. If the economy is in crisis, why should we continue to take ex-gratia when the rest of the public and civil service don't take it? And so I said categorically that we will cancel ex-gratia. And then somebody who should know better, a lawyer, he said, oh, then I should refund all the ex-gratia we took before to show Ghanaians that yes, we are serious about cancelling it. He does not even know the principle in our constitution that says that you cannot pass retroactive legislation. If you pass legislation today, it does not affect what happened in the past. And what he says is a bit silly, because it's like saying that because we've introduced free SHS, all of us should go and get a refund of our school fees that we paid in the past. That is how silly what he's saying is. And so they should state what their position is. Are they in favor of ex-gratia, or they agree with us that we will cancel it? We are saying 2025, when we come, we will cancel ex-gratia.
Okay. Mpacho anyabia. Asema Mahama kan yo kani twi mu kama. Mekura menti twi ma atiase. Mpacho ti asema Mahama kan ye. Yewura Mahama says he's coming to cancel ex-gratia. Because according to him, ex-gratia expenditure bia. The government of Ghana can get away with it. And I'm saying, omoji ex-gratia ni nyina no. Omoka part of the executive ho ye ka aban na nkasa. Enti ono na ye the leader, ono ye the head of the executive. And ono nso na ye the leader of the government machinery. Enti ono oba obema ex-gratia no ya abolish no. Na papa we wo ho. Oye trickish. You know why? Bra Mahama sha say o the ex-gratia issue. A campaign message hono. That was time when Ghanaians were discussing on other say ex-gratia yentwem anasema yentwem. But because of desperation of power, you know, Papa ne eti ya se Ghana for you to na sha se complain se adenti a yesese sika dodo sa edema ampine some people omo ye adwuma wa aban mu after their tender in office. Mahama tis asem na hu se eya de bi eda youth no akoma so na youth na dwa na amanfo enye in support with that, you know. Papa ne sheda ba bonten ebe take away ex-gratia, that which is, burning on the taxpayers' money. Papa will better now kunyaso. George Frimpong me mwako abapa. Papa will better now kunyaso afe any funny. But your ex-gratia no waka ho asemana. Ono so ka say you can say the ex-gratia issue no. Say the mbra kura ba, mbra cannot be retroactive. Enti say ya mbra ne kakari TV bi ya mwako aba. Aha, Godwin. When kakari TV na ya twa no ase ho no. Eyeski nti nyoma so, onyuma ni dire so e do be ko na channel no so. Pacho temi yepa. Ex-gratia na papa ne all church mo kan kire wo say mmara ye mmara kora wo man no mu a. Mmara no enko recover na chi na mom nanim. So my caution that I'm asking and say Mahama enti ex-gratia na wo so ba betwa mu no. Who betwa mu the ama the next parliament na say you are coming to cancel it for this parliament. Now even that Ben done out the mrabi beba eba abolish the payment of ex-gratia. Hey, Mr. Jensi for now. Hey, boha, yeah, yeah, sempa. Messi, enkrofo na motena ase. Enkrofo na motena ase ma Mahama di ntro kire mo se mo ye janzifo. Enti munim de ye friend Mahama. Na ye ka kire mo na mo se mo nte ase no. Today I have a question for you guys to answer me. This is the third promise and Mahama ma ya ene ye ka ho asem. Wa ya na onye ex-gratia no. After this 10th or 9th parliament way, are they going to pay ex-gratia to the MPs, to the ministers, and to other bodies of the government? So we have not talked about it. We have not heard about it. Akofa yenim. Say MPs omugu parliament on omuama ne warning. I don't know. But what remain on the table, and I say that promise has not been fulfilled. That ex-gratia matter no, one of the most difficult things and now me no ka say Ghana for bebre empe. And I'm ex-gratia so nipa dom ekoto abade mayewura Mahama. Enti se wa ba ban mu dia, why don't you implement it and let's go? What is holding you not to implement the abolishment of the ex-gratia? Aden wodi nkrofo na adwene di agora na. Aden enna wo bedi akonwa yi. Wunwa Ibrahim Mahama krono a wo boni woni dinimu ena ye wo your priority ana. And he said the what them call the one job 3 shift 133 no. And him say it is not possible. We cannot do it. In him that because America my mukura mpono. Factories na ye adwuma wo ho no. Enye law bi na ekese omonye. Because of demand on the market and ma amanfo ebi omo factory 24 hours omo tu adwumayefo eka 3 shift a day. Enti enya by law. Enyansafo no die nim. Now, Kohifo no omuji tu mo omukoto abana ma no. They are waiting for it to happen because they want to work. So as soon as Kohifo no omuji tu mo say wo greedy man like you. Papa wotumbe jina amanfo anim ka kire won say you were once a homeless man. Hey. Oh damn God. Wo Jo Mahama. Jo Mahama wunwia. Wan kasa wunya Ibrahim Mahama etimi twa plane etu plane de Ghana fo a omoyare call Dubai kosa wonyade esande won bafie wutumi betina TV so kan kire Ghana fo say you were once a homeless guy after you lost power in 2016, after you have amassed the wealth of the country for 4 good years as a president. Utimi kohwe amabro wa nimu amabro wa omusu omuhao. Utimi kohwe omu anim ka kire omu say you were homeless like them. This man, me say whoever trusts in Mahama lack common sense. Tim Yepa. Because none of these promises are making year 2016. 2012 for Ekoto Obama and Obey president. MPM 2016. None of the promises that Mahama made in opposition are ultimate security. 2024 we are seeing the interaction them Ekoto Obama. None of his promises are making and what me are sustaining. Every day, every show, I will bring you one promise, two promise of Mahama in opposition, and unfulfillment of the promise in government. And the reactions are, this time, Ekita Mahama in terms of his promise that he made. What else should I add? He's going to cancel the Ex-gratia. But now I know say, John Mahama like tour. Or Jituo no we are no wedi. And how would he going to chop the tour? Is by sharing with his guys, his cronies. And then I yeti hui. And no na yeti hui Papa Mahama and troning kontompo na ho na yeti. Create loot and share. And the Gigi Sikana yasi ma Ex-gratia na ya che dia mankwasi afu binom no manchi akwakodi. And to wona na we the lose. Wona transfer de wa adwene di agro. Wona now believe we say Ex-gratia was coming to be abolished and I'm soon to okoto abadema Mahama no. Ase ma men kantre se wajimi unimu nyansa. Di mami nibi no ye metwam. Yamra ne ye metwa di mami nibi no ne ye di de wo he. Na ye di de wo he. Di bi mami nibi na ene na ema awiado no koso na ye NDC fo no. Ene wo se me metwam. Mahama is not going to cancel Ex-gratia. He's thinking about how he can hand over mining side to his brother. So when you have fruit, Mr. Mahama be cancel Ex-gratia. When we are not, why you disappointed? We disappointed is okay. So when we are now, and this is for more train ora, more train Ex-gratia see between. More train says a bio fuel price no and may dependence of the global market no. More train say mobenya a friend saying one job 3 shift akubi no. Mo yem free mutima. Se mo yem free mutima. Me say frustration ebe so after the 2028 no. You will never regain your body from that. Joseph you guys must to get rid of him. So he can never do that. And yes, sir. Papa ni bedi na kwenye wie. Odi wie na okwa. Frustration ebe tomono. I just say mo kose yen this office is a woman district ho nyina. Because when kontomponi, he cannot do anything. Entron kwa en kontompo kwa nyo no nko one ne nkrofo nyina. Yento aso na yenko yanim. Yewura Mahama se omode one ne nkrofo. So omoba na ombedi Ghana man so a omonyo te se de akofo ado ye because some of the government agencies no Nanado had to borrow to pay their salaries. Papa ye now the finance minister ye friend Ato Forsen at that time stated it credit say sa ban ko bobosia na ode ekotua adwumayefo car e kire sa ban na ye den e bo krono enti omode so omoba bosia bi omobobo no they will use it for what? For productivity. Pachotim ye pa. And this abansi somo umbedia kunyana. Bosia bi ombebo biano. They are going to use it for productivity so that the economy can grow. But and I am saying, and we are not seeing it like that. The finance minister today is out telling Ghanaians, say, Omwako Bobosia, Edi Abeden, Abetia, Jumaya Foka. Now, me pese me more video on a TV. Na fabi two team. One can say me na America. Listen to the video.
EC will not spend recklessly. We will spend according to what we have. If you do not have it, don't overborrow. Because if you overborrow, you will give people haircut. And that is what we have spent. We have stopped. So, Mr. Speaker, we will not overborrow. We will spend within the budget and we'll do what we have to do. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
After paying for statutory funds and debt service from non-oil tax revenue of 183 billion Ghana cedis, what was left was not enough to settle Ghana's compensation bill. This also means that government of Ghana had to borrow 17 billion Ghana cedis to pay Ghanaian workers.
Pacho tiemi yepa. Tiemi. Yewra John Mahama ene nkrofo in opposition country Ghana for say. Eni kwan se aban ebo bosia. Na bosia na obebo no. Odi betua adwumayefo ka. Omosi se oye ne sa ye fe chop di mami ni bi. But here we come back again. So we the last video wa yetie ye na. Ene ato force nso sanjina ho e ka kire Ghana for say. It is true say they have borrowed money to pay salaries. And the question now eba at the same time. Now, me pesa misa ato force and say. So if borrowing to pay what them call salaries is the meaning of chop. And yet nenso the oye ono so why chop na. Simple question. Question that I want to ask and say ato force intimi gina ho kan kire Ghana for say borrow to pay salary is equal to chop. Then I'm asking ato force and say enti now no nso no ono akoboro a ono ankasa na e kan kire Ghana for say wa bobosia e de atua amamfo adwumayefo ka no. Does it mean say ono nso no wa chop ana obanyansafo yebunbe na yen kana sem atokwase ampanyini kromfo ambulance kromfo forcing brana be yi ya no because just 9 months ago and o kan asem way brana be yi ya no that 17 billion no eko he chop ana mo de atemo kaso ana mo campaign na mo ye na oversize ana ye ho na mo de temo ka ana ato forcing should come and explain to himself to Ghanaians. Yemfa wensi ana yenko yanim on the next session. Na yenin komo kakra. Well, se misha se ameye show ene. What I have done up to now, enyina ane say, I have been playing videos on promises abangwe promise ya on to me and deliver ye. Minya Joseph Boasa Mahama is a criminal liar. Minya Joseph Mwakwaba Yepa. Sami Jasi said from Hamburg, it is obvious that despite the number of Mahama propaganda lies to deceive Ghanaians, the NDC cheap-minded supporters are still considering Mahama as a messiah. It's over to them. It is over to them. Yanto aso na yanko yanina meka asembi na yanto aso. One said the promises are many. I've been playing videos of promises. Enye omontimi amfofede na actually omoye contrary to what they promise. But what am I seeing? What I'm seeing today and say, still, John Mahama is going around promising of something new. Hey, Papa, we hey, and then you would darega eguso e make more promise. Now no kodoma hinkru. This time around, yeah, Papa doma hene. I think I don't know. After they voted for John Mahama, I think now they get sense. And then John Mahama kwa jina doma hene anim promise or see obabisi 24-hour market across the country. Every district in Ghana will have 24-hour market, 24-hour economy market. Mokai Hope City, Hope City, Infa. Mokai Sada, and confirm no to call him. Mokai Cocoa Road Project, Mahama Gusu make a promise so. Wabon kwasia she, washem kwasia boshe. Hama you cannot forfeit. Instead of you to concentrate on them kwasia boshe na washe to mean forfeit no. The man is out there giving more promises. And then Mahama says he's going to build 273 24-hour economy market in every district capital. Now, dear Yanni said, Papa ne can't sound quite a 70 you know. The man he can't say they don't need market. I was therefore like a video not share my like a video not share him. All like can share. You just have to share and like the video. Share video no like mame. I comment it. One subscribe so I don't subscribe. Yewura Mahama si okwa kosi 24-hour economy market diama every district biana okwa shase wo doma. Doma hene esi da bi papa why a mistake. Doma afọ de ye we ye market ya akufo ado aban ni sima ayen. Eye very beautiful. Eye extraordinary. Na mbom no de hia ye ne se akufo ado aban na ye to abati ano no. Na osi agenda 111 no hoya wasi a oya wie enti se no kure se wa ba se wo be ya de amadoma man dia ene John Darigay finish what the agenda 111 and not a new promise. Hey nyankupo hu the Lord of Nanado and that one of Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia eye omnipotent pa Netio Biniho, Yentie.
Yebeye 24-hour markets. Ewo Ghana district be Inti Ghana ha your districts 261. Na yentwe bienja. Yankase hanye to abamaye, ha omo to amaye, inti ama omubi. Obia 261, obia enya 24-hour market TV. Na yedwa se ye pia montina ye dia sokobo foma mubehu ne drawing wo ho mubehu se na ye wia edwa no etie enti ene de ba se ye dia so bebo fom na yesi ya sha se ene doma hinkro dia na edwa bia e wo nyoma bebre e wo ye wo office aye crash form behwe edwa no so omo office e wo dwa no mu ye wo daycare center ye kindergarten nti ye maame mo ene obi a oye adwuma wo market no se wo wa bofra a wo pese omo hwe no so wo de no be call daycare center na kindergarten no na wo ton ade no na ono so sua ade ye wo baby a friend hospitality area a ho ena restaurants baby a toto akoko nketenkete ye toto nam ne ade
Hey John Darigane balling the other can be a balling can ho with the moment intie ne we tie do ma hen so asem o kan intie
ye chichi nkosua ye nwa mu ene ade intie kom de wa okotena ho a na air conditioning ball na eja ultra wenum afen so edwanum ye police station nti obi wura ho na oyese obehwimade anase obewi ade akọ mo che na mpachoma mombo no mo de police station ho mo fa no nkoma a police for no edwa bia nso e fire service station nti sa eja hyehye ne ade eno de fire service no ejina ho a nti se BBC a enya afi ne ekofre fire service for ne aka se o ye kohwe nsu aba fire service no ejina ho a afi so ye wo clinic wom nti se obia ente apo a eno ani se wako clinic ho na wakoje wayaresa afi so ye wo cold store ewom nti wa woton nam ankoko nam fish bibia cold store wo ho nti went me anto a wo de be kwa kohye good cold store num na anopa wasa ebeyi wade ye wo bank nti woton wade a enye ne se wo be pie fi edwa ho aka se wo ko bank edu sika kosie edwa no ma bank wo ho nti wo ra ho na wo de wo sika sie ye sha se ne Emma Bank aye kind Women's Development Bank.
His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Samre mama no so na medana se. O hweme nsani
Pacho tie ye pa. Mahama koye no kwa kodi intro. Wasan ko we another promise o. Se omono afe na omo ba ye market be a 24-hour economy market across the whole country. Na do ma hena se mo be kan mepese obetie pa. Hey, oba kura na ojije ne soa too much ojimi. I think said Domahene has been pumping John Mahama for a very long time. Says Domahene will say Jimina Dawson. So now he is cautioning Yehuda Mahama say Papa. Enokre men and me ye did demand Doma for to abadema. But our niece no yena yenim enye dia ope. Listen to what Domahene said to Yehuda Mahama. Listen.
The shall say Emma Bank aye kind Women's Development Bank.
His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Samre mama no so na medana se. O hweme nsani fran se ya obesi market emaye. Sa market yo no wo me nsani fran he. Samre mama no so na medana se. Yewura market yo obesi yo no ni. Yewura ade ba ko pa a odija ye agenda 111. Sa hospital ojaye no owo amasu yewura opaja na hopa na baby aduru no yewura wada roma akoye bibi se aka ho yewura wabai nimse ho sika no ordene nso yewura hwehwe baby na fa betwa so yewura enya agenda 111 amasu nkoa ebi wo Ghana mbiaye nyina.
Yes, entebusuan tie. Domahene say wajiji Mahama so majimi ne ya dawson. Yes, hospitals 111 across the whole country. Ya spend Ghana for ye sika edi ewuram. Say the best say ho ya de aboye ho ban. Oba ye no. Propaganda ni cheap politics nti. Waje no ato ho e na so ba besi market. Domahene say men kan kire John say Domafo nhia market yo tom omo market papa o ha yewura Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ne see. And for that matter ntino it is an agency say agenda 111 na ewo ba bia hodo bebre no omo modene na on solve sa problem no ma omo ene na ehu hia abusua me do besi a na ma bia phone lines na tum utumi frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwen owo nsɛm ahodo a me de ebre wo enei me ni tietia na ebre abam enti utumi frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwen ha Ras Media GH on subscribe ya na wa subscribe ene your first time so a oba ha ya meso se bo modern na like video no comment na hwehwɛ me all the social media platforms so as Rush Media GH, YouTube, Facebook, and on TikTok. My be phone lines na tum utumi frɛ na watch the wadwen kama ede amame. Yeah, call your name. Yenti a video no whilst I'm waiting for course.
NSO, you bear 24-hour markets. Ewo Ghana district be Inti Ghana ha your districts 261. Na yentwe bienja yanka sɛ ɛha ne ɛto aba ma yɛ ɛha ɔmo anto ama yɛ nti ɛma ɔmo bi obia 261 obia enya 24-hour market TV na ɛyɛ dwa sɛ yɛ pia abɔnten na yɛde asɔkɔbɔ fom a mobɛhu ne drawing wɔ hɔ mobɛhu sɛ nea yɛwie a ɛdwa no ɛteɛ nti ɛnɛ deɛ ɛbaa sɛ yɛde asɔ bɛbɔ fom na yɛsi yɛahyɛ ase ɛne dɔma ahenkuro deɛ na ɛdwa biara ɛwɔ nneɔma bebree ɛwɔ mu
Yesu adume. Pesa mafo. Na na adunya nkopon de yembo yensem ma no ye na na. Waya de papa nyame akyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ hɔ. Na it's a matter of time. So na na Dubai no mfiti ase no onyusu aban ka bia o no onu ana na yusu the car chencheme bi no bai. Aha, and I'm out for 2 manu gun so as a safety as a president of India. Of course. And son of a pay. Or J a bike car, yeah. So what's your say? Now, be some thing. Obe Jack Chrono. Now, what is the canoe? I could see a drama or one.
It's a good question.
Oh, to me, Jay, that because all your cryptomanians. Nensake kanu nti nya de obetumi agya sɛ ɔde sika na wɔn wɔ pɛgu ɔde ama na yere ne ma no ɛde akɔ akɔsi edwa ɛde ama dɔmafo na for the first time history na dɔmahene ɛnɛ na mehu sɛ okuta adwene ɛna na otumi di tena hɔ edi nsɛmfiri ene me bona baso wakasa tito panyini wakasa tito oyo hene because the adie ni bi wo ho na ye di Ghana si ye ya so wontumi nko pese ka foforo nko ye foforo so what you say adie no so onwanku ababa be ye bi e de agu ho predecessor o tamo ka brofo no wa ye bi agu ho ansa no wo ko until you have to continue from there who do you think you are playing at? It's one of family who bedin kwasi asem o ntina na domahene bempe wasem mo but this is the first time I will clap for you na mo ya wire there what you say nipa ya there o ma me so wire there say ya next time no betumi aye den ato aso so ya ade ne ma na o kasa nya o mo tete na o so o ma ye din wo mo bo mo nsem no eye NDC supporters na o mo convoy o so wo kwa convoy ne tapo me kan men to me an kan yo me kan sa men to me an kan to ka do crochem na me say za di do ni me kan ya na afo me ni so
28 V8 1 28
so to mo say e kom woni sika mo de betua Ghana for nti kom Ghana for Mahama musi ekom kuna tenya me antua o kakra na Mahama na nya me woni wiase o woni wiase enti onyire no ho no sita Ghana sika onyire no ho no bo Ghana kro no na me bi sese o kafe obe asol ye can say market oh so na na do ye bia na enkola wo de care center wo. Okay. Bibia wo copy
Sa port now OCC and then one na market school
na school and connect day care center wo ni police ni adia na bi it wo person wo copy na nado but Mahama me person me sure say and then you me gina ha bo me ankasa me MPP mpanimfo abato na nado encourage mo dia dwen papa na nado especially na po I was starting free education from beginning with scratch. Me bomb in some of the ma almost say yes. Mistake kakra bi ba e na MPP am to 2 years na Ghana for 2 years. But nobody can compare themselves with MPP for. When they put their mind and their soul, so they will do it. Yeah. They will do it without any stop. It's if some end this the first time. And yeah, dear, over to me do to 20 people for that for a million to come. It's not almost the end say, or my general Mukutano, almost demobilize it. Okay, say, yeah, lose 2020 was a term. Almost US the car saying, almost your mobile, Kate and loot and share. Okay,
almost no contribution, no job. The
for some of you, for some of the cat at them. It's a maybe the sound of one. Me who say a genius friend a journey. They haven't got a human soul living in them. They are toxic, they are evil.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Marco Milano, it's Chesapeake.
Yeah. So is it
a friend of my poor, my picture, Omuni abadaye e de ma wo man no na me gina ha e komi ko todwa no ka kire Ghana po na me se bisa Ghana po se in future bia no omo be sa de omo wato de ama MPP de omo de agro se ya na
NDC
me bisa wo mo se me bisa Ghana po se omo de omo be to wo akosala akoto aba over 6.something million e de ama NDC po ana. The question me buta Ghana for no. The task supposed to be me buta Ghana for say licensure exams no mo ye no abroche na unim so mo ye bi
baby o mo ye bi baby a every
me wa kasa wo fasi obey o ye bi o so person to cut na foreign country me na me man no fine because wanya enya ade a obetumi akọ o so wo ye so what it me na men tears say how some Ghana for Mahama be din for the chairman Mahama what last year read Ghana for from Enkwara to Ahemfunu sa
yes
wouldn't sa Mr. Marco so wouldn't sa Mahama yeah Mahama read you want to start the back of his hand and at the back of his hand but read the woman who said omu pesika esne nipa ono mfa ho kra so baba betone ma me di amount edunti Mahama can use Ghanaians as ojina wa okata nyina no wo de hwe ne facial expression hwe ne body language or say omo wo de opa ko ne kokko play video no back na hwe
yeah to
ko de kokko play video no back on hwe
yeah to nkokko ama mo anwe na woni sika obe na wato akokko ni
obia otumi kakira mo say nobody pizza oba sama mo ice cream na what Jimmy kura no obetumi di ice cream ba ne campaign mu a e chese no wo di wo rough
yes odi hu few yes
otumi kakira store na what bia mo be di pizza mo be di odi hu few
yes
what kind of you can simple mo kakira can campaign be na no wo ye no na university for doctors the kukuda respected doctors no more to me and what to do solo kasa kokotobi so what you say ko Pizza Hut no kotobi na ye de ne di to me tnate Emma Mahama dada so obema pizza obema you can say I I wanna be who said Ghana for mu cheap ankasa untumi ntɔ ice cream di untumi ntɔ pizza Mahama di obeto ama wo no na akatua kompo no untumi mfa mbram na pizza no de bebre mu Papa we dey me say oh you comedian kasa
Very big
conspect na Ghana for ato ma de papa bi aye den ato achi e no ma ko fa jam di bi
we are going back. We are going back. Omani Kochi.
Besamapo, me ko wa asi abantu de ye be se nyame nka o ba ba ke do.
Yama mister. Yama mister na third nka. I also odi Mahama chia on coffee. Bas betu ajano. Asebo. Yes. As a dear no. Ye nyina ya unse papa no ntro ni nkontompo. Se do so kusi 260 something stores market across the country. Adentia agenda 111 market. Me frewo. Adentia ompeke. Hello, my Otemenka. Mr. Anthony.
Me do asi bebre na me hira. Me chemi nua ba Esther ka tell me chia ne pa.
Ma Esther we dey wa waso.
Na yedi karo meda wase so ama me kwan se me so me kire ma dwene kakra de to so mi no nya me hira o no mo ho ma onyansa no mo ahoden o ma nkwa ahoden wo mu na bibia wo ye bia no so se enye yie ma o de mpai bon so ta wochi de to so mi no so aye abronye eno ansem wo de breye baaye no na emudu nti abronye yenye ndeni we man so abronye yenye udeni
oye boy
abronye yenye udeni
oye boy oye shege
se ya kasi ye yi wadi ankane anke ye Dr. Baumia
ke ye huna man
ani MPP for ke ye huna man papa nti abronye de eno so me ka ne mpai bumpa ana de toso so Dr. Baumia so nyame enhwe ne so omo na ho bai na dwumadi a wokodie no Nyankopɔn ka na ho omo na ho bai na owie bibia nso a odna bedu fia so dwe mama ye ye toso ye Dr. Untimi chairman ba ko pe Untimi ye ne se Nyankopɔn sa Nyankopɔn ka na ho no omo na ho bai atete a owo mu ne oha owo mu nyina yinim se nyame be yi na firim na me se bibia nso be yi ne nkunudie nso aba ye de aseda nso ame Nyankopɔn me ba masem no so no masem no me pa na ye tie anye tintin bia ye di kan no se MP4 no a se o masore a o mu di dwuma kese pa de bo MPP ko no me se edu ho na ekoto aba no a se MP4 wo se no 70-87 no o mu nyina no obi an contest wo mo na o mu nya dwuma fi so ma ye dwuma nwanwa
yes
me so ma dwene na me so me kire se eduru ho a mo bia ma sa MP obi an contest wo mo na omo so anye de na fe MP ayi wo mo understand no so na ka we mu no 87 no so a support wo mo kakra sa na se etinya kwanim so MPP fo no tie no mo fa e beboa ye ana de toso nso ye ma me kan so enumre ensema de beto enim do ma hene asem obeka no eno adwoma ma kokan se galamse no mu tuo no ahemfo no ebinom se bi ebinom ka ho asem me kan se de emu oduro me se bebre
mo eduru pa
ebi ba gima no akosi bone ebi so ba gima no akosi papa na adwoma ma se ahemfo obobo nkofo no aka sa de party fo ni bi so aka ho na me de me kire ma dwene se o se ahemfo no ebi ka ho enti ahemfo no mo ka ho no se bi wa mo obidin Asante region so galamsey no so di enya papa. Enti mesre se ahemfo no omo Ghana no omo kasa awa Asante region no omo kasa eya yi no. Ena ni kire yi a omo so so nyina omo na so. No omo kan kire omo to galamsey ni se asase no se bi eye dia. Enti ye obi a so betu galamsey wo Asante region. Enti se yante ho asem dia na je se do mama aso kan se ahemfo no ebinim eka ho no. Na galamsey na yetu na Asante region no. Na ahemfo empanimfo akase no se bi omo so kan ho bi. Enti ahemfo no amu Asante region no ene do ma hena asem a kan no wo si dwade wo hia agenda wanwa no a ya besi na na do be ye no ene na won hwe so nkoye. Enti sa ahemfo no amu Kumase no Asante region enyina no se mo antimi ansore ene ne kire ye amu galamsey no wo Asante region dia na se do ma maso kan no aye no kure galamsey na yetuo no wo ahemfo no binom se bi ye diska ne bi bremo. Enti na Asante region yese kuro no yese yensuo yese edwapade. Enti Asante region ene sa dwumade ya wo bedi ye do ma hene aso obekae no ekom Asante region Asante fo se bio ahemfo titire no amo ho no se mo nka galamsey ne ho de a ene ene ne kire ye a no mo nsore enyina mo na aso na mo mra galamsey no se mo ntimi amra di a se bi na kire galamsey na do mama kasa ahemfo no eka ho bi no na ye no kure sa ahemfo no amo Asante region no mo so mo ka ho bi. Enti masem kakra anwumre nso me ka no ana ze say na MPP fo no so mo hwe kana Japan yi ebi se wo ye ni pa bi a oye bofu ana oye sefo. Enti the base na wo ye no oye ne kakra na be kakra ze so mo register ni pa pesa yi a wo ka ho asem ko tu yati ho ko tu yati
Aye propaganda omu register obia bet kasa metio.
Enti General Secretary wo ti ho no mo abronya ko kasa ya wo se ye nya abronya dia wo beja party no. General Secretary wo beja ye ade asem na aka kire ye kan ho se kana Japan aboka enti oya woni mu na atemdidi na kana Japan no di ba Dr. Baumia no ene nkofo no ene wa hu so abronya ko ka bi ndie wo se ye nya abronya di enti bi de metumi aka mi twato nse ahemfo no amu Asante region se bi o se mo nka galamsey ne ho di a efide koyi Asante region omo mutu galamsey na ahemfo no mo nsore na mo mpam mo nyina mfiri ho so mo mpam mo di a na se galamsey no mo ahemfo no amu Asante region no ahemfo akase na mo ka ho bi anu asi da se bebre nyame shiro bi ya
nyame nshira wonso Yewia Anthony ena yete ne nka no directly from Italy maimu haya many nyina ene wo the same area. Abusiamfo midin any Ras Media I would me from Mr. Mafo na bia ayete kama cool. Abusiam be phone lines now to musu to me for na what I want people to call and express their views. Yes. And to say about modern na also free na chire wadwen e topic ya de eba yi ho. Na die di kan ma memfa nchia kese ema menwia yaw amo akufo. I'm watching you live from Paris. And menwia Kofi Apia so say first time Nana Domahene has made my day. God bless him. Godwin so say factory or market. Always putting the cart before the horse. This man, he is still fooling the people. Yento aso sasina Janet Granting eswa serisa oyewu. Samija is from Hamburg. It is obvious that despite the number of Mahama propaganda and lies to deceive Ghanaians, the NDC cheap-minded supporters are still considering Mahama as a messiah. Wow. Wasi Mahama is a criminal liar. Yemia Kakari TV so say please share and like the video. George Frempon so say piao bro. And Amimia ba estake bari manso ede akoma ene nchia abreme masomutwi Sanso na ye maame no ye miaba nana akua afro ai me dofo papa bi nso eden chia kese abreme miwia samija sinso ye san eguso chia na miwia Anthony Osei, that is Tony May Enterprise in Cantamanto Kumase. Oh leda papa leda yedi mpaboa ka mu akonya bet seat biano okone ho a wonsa ebeka bi Italian leather papa original made in Italy leather papa ho na wonsa beka bi se ko bi e mantina busu me de mo besi a na Nyankopon eya adom na yenya ahoden a okena nso yetumi ede sabio different episode of Ras Media editorial no abro enti me de mo besi a na makra mo na okena Nyankopon ya adom a yasan ehia bi me din ene Mr. Mafo ha Ras Media GH unlike video na Mr. Asebo modern na like unsubscribe to channel no so a no abo modern na wa subscribe se de be ya obeba no abeka busuanko no ho se de be ya brebia me the video tuma obe one of the first people onsa ebeka video yi na wanya bi ahwe se de se na efata enti ma wonsa tia no so nkosi adoma no so na click notification bell no na aboa ama me the video tuma wonso wonsa akabi me do besi ane yasan ahia ochina makra mu nyina but answer na mekono if I say munya mu video of expose bi John Mahama ne nkrofo no ayama ene me no kasai radio presenters nyina they are mocking John Mahama government on the fuel prices crisis na yate se ba na nyamaye video no si na wantimi nkan bi ma na mede nchakase ene nkrakase ejaw yenti video no na esi na wantimi nkan na say dios bye bye
Sẹ́ni yẹn tọ́ so program kuna zẹ asẹ́mu di n'asẹ́mu kọ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ní mi sá asẹ́mu yẹn máa mpẹ́ni ní nípa nìfọ́ kan no mi ní ọmọ yẹn adwin o sẹ́ ẹ̀dwàmà nso kókó bọ́ no kọ́ fún ọmọ asẹ́sọ mi ní ọmọ adwin 100% but deɛ ẹ̀kyẹ̀rẹ̀ máa adwin sẹ́ ẹ̀mìrà ọmọ tí petrol so no ọmọ sí ẹ̀yẹ good governance ẹ̀nà àmì àti petrol so sídi bá a fọ́ọ̀mù no ọmọ sí ẹ̀yẹ good governance. And near petrol air costro no. Omze good governance so name no Iran Israel US war. In Germany for the ben pa na mbokos where edi ho agro.
Oh say I said some time ago a campaign mo kra. Na mampanyi e kan say Ukraine Russia war hi emfa Ghana ho ufiri ha no mo kwa 7,000 kilometers we say that by way fire ho by.
Ah na ye nyina ntwenim say it was a contributing factor and Ghana core crisis in Germany for the ben pa na mo mu bi mo be di no kra ma ye man Ghana.
US Israel Iran won it if I hope a be affecting
na Ukraine Russia na nfem madam hwe ni pebu fo no pay
na buy what dey
na that man can ni nyina so dey say
na me na meka
me enu nyina da
originator of that sam no wo dey ubungo
wo na wo tim to na ho yemahi die wo mu ni say Ukraine and Russia war no e fa Ghana ho
na mfa ye ho
biama bomb to do be
bomb to ha
America we say bomb abeto amasama ya
bomb abeto ha
bomb abeto pogwasi fitu kwan yo mu ye ya se gwagwa na se kwa na ya nwa wie
wo say bomb ne ba kwa to flash star house
utiso empare ya watu so enti Ghana fo mesra omaya de chese mama ye ni na ho na amanyofo de adwe di agura che too much obi tibika say na Ukraine ihwan wo bomb bi abeto Ghana ajira bomb abeto ha anzi wan hu sunsun so nti ene the bucket mu sem na luma